Experience the all-new expectation-shattering Buick.
Stop. I don't like what I'm hearing.
That's the client's copy.
No. I hear squeaking. Chair check.
Chair check.
No, none of ours.
I'm on.
Really? You're gonna interrupt my pitch for this?
What's wrong, buddy? You love chair check.
Hey, look, it's my son. He's...
Boom!
Found it.
Excellent, Charles. Sorry, Trey. You were in the middle of telling us your son is gay.
Yeah.
What? No, my son is not gay. He's a Republican.
Oh, outstanding! Your son is exactly the type of young man that the party needs. You're sure he's not gay, though, right?